Vivo launched its new mid-range smartphone under V series in India called Vivo V40e, with premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V40e features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is HDR10+ certified. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V40e sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75 by 7.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V40e has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 28,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 30,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in mint green and royal bronze color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from October 2nd. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V40e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.